Marlo and I are hiding out inside the boat with everything locked up because there's a massive thunderstorm that's broken out just above us. There's a huge crack of lightning. We'll wait and see if we can get another one. But you can probably hear the rain. I kind of knew it was coming. I didn't know it was going to be a full-on thunderstorm, but I knew that there would be showers this afternoon because it was muggy and hot this morning at like Sparrow's Fart. Kind of hits different being inside a boat on the water when there's a thunderstorm around with lightning. This is, I've had, as you know, I've had lots of rain before, and I've got the means to fix this, but I haven't done it yet. So I don't think this is going to have enough rain in it to warrant it. But I haven't had lightning until today. Ooh, there it goes. That was right above. It was like right here. Woo! Exciting.